So I bought this wreath at a thrift store, and it had some pretty ugly berries on it, which I already pulled off, and it's pretty tacky, but I want to show you how I'm going to dress this up and make it look even more beautiful and more fantastic. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pair this fake boxwood wreath with it. The nice thing is that it'll slide right underneath and press into there. Then to fill out the wreath, I want to go ahead and add some eucalyptus to it. Adding real seeded eucalyptus detracts from all the fake that's going on in this wreath. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.